Mars, also known as the Red Planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. While there is currently no evidence of life on Mars, scientists have been studying the planet for many years in an effort to understand its potential for supporting life. The Martian atmosphere is primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon. The planet's surface is dry and dusty, with features such as canyons, volcanoes, and the largest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons. The surface temperature is extremely cold, with an average temperature of -80 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite these harsh conditions, scientists have found evidence that Mars may have once had liquid water on its surface, which is considered to be a key ingredient for life as we know it. The presence of water, as well as signs of ancient volcanic activity, has led scientists to believe that Mars may have once had a more hospitable environment that could have supported life. There are some indications that microorganisms could survive in the subsurface of Mars, where water is thought to exist, but NASA and other space agencies are yet to confirm it. Future missions to Mars will continue to study the planet in an effort to understand its potential for supporting life and the possibility of human habitation in the future.